Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bali Life with Richard. I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to our beautiful Sanur. It's a glorious day today. So today's video, I'm going to take you for a decent walk. So it's going to go from basically Pantai Segara through to Pantai Sindhu and all the way down to Pantai Karang. So keep watching and I hope you enjoy. And we're coming up to the inner Sindhu. Now the inner here, look, the reviews, I haven't stayed here, but the review says the rooms are getting a little bit old and outdated, but it's in such a great location. And you do have your beachfront access as well too. So if you want somewhere that's nice and central to everything, near the markets, because this is right next to the markets here, this could be an option for you if you're looking at somewhere nice and close to everything. Gee, look at all the bikes. It looks like it's busy down here this morning. Everyone looks like they're now leaving and ready to go to work. Probably come to have a look at the sunrise, because we get beautiful sunrises here. No sunsets, just sunrises. From here, so we're at Pantai Sindhu, we might just head down to our left, which takes us down to Tootsie's restaurant, but also takes us down to the Segara Beach. Being a Sunday morning, everyone's down here, all the locals, as you can see.
Good morning.
Okay, so the new Warung down here has lovely food down here. We've had pizzas, etc. down here. Great location, and it's right next door to Tootsie's on the beach here too. So you've got two sides side by side. So if you're coming down here looking somewhere to get great food and along the beachfront, you got the two there. So you got your Tootsie's, as I said, and then right next door is the new Warung. Of course, you've got the birdhouse. They quite often have functions along here, along the front. The sun's in a bit of a spot, so you may get a bit of glare through this video, so I do apologise for that nice and early. As I said, the sun has just come up. And if you're looking at this video and you've never been to Sanur before, you can see you've got this beautiful walkway. It's shared by bikes, but the pedestrians walk through here too. Get a lot of people exercising. And it goes all the way up from the harbour area, which is up north, and all the way down to Murtasari, which is down south. So we've had dinner here at the Segara Beach. Again, lovely location. Beautiful breakfast down here too. And we might come over and have a bit of a look at the renovations they're doing over here. So they've demolished the kiddies playground and made it into a lovely little area here with all grass. And look at those renovations, wow. It's all happening. It's going to be it's going to be lovely once it's all finished. So if you heard of the Beatles tribute band, this is where they play, down here in the Segara Beach area. So we're down at Segara Beach now. This beach is more for locals. So a little while ago, they used to have all the bikes come and park in this area here and you were unable to walk around, it was full. But now they've actually moved the bikes further down, which is great. And they're stopping people for coming down here, which is awesome. But as you can see, Lovely area down here, Pantai Segara, and it's full of the locals. You do have a few little warungs down here on our left-hand side. We'll just go past and show you. So we have eaten at Warung Esa down here, and that's been lovely. Really good price for a good-sized meal. Get great coffees down here as well too. Papalina down here, you get coffees. And they've redone it, and then what they've done is they've actually put a roof on this area here, this lovely roof, so it's a perfect location to sit here and watch people go by. And if you come across to the waterfront, they've put a whole lot of table and chairs here now too, so it's great if you want to sit down and just chill out, basically chillax. So this is Pantai Segara area, so what we're going to do now is we're going to head back down the south way and have a look down there. Okay, so back to Pantai Sindhu. It's going to be a fairly big walk by the time I finish, so I'll probably go down to Pantai Karang. That's going to be far enough because then I have to walk all the way back. I'll be exhausted. So here's the turtle conservation, so you can go in there, make a donation. They do have turtle releases down here in Sanur as well too, so you can go and make a donation. You can just follow them on Facebook and they'll tell you when your next release of the turtles are. Down through here you got amphibious. A lot of people come down here and have breakfast, but also great food down here for dinner. Shout out to Ian. Hope you're going well there, mate. Burger's just in behind here as well too. So if you've got this little city mart here, which is a new one which has just been opened up, in behind there is Burger's. Great cheap little burgers. So this is the front. This is the front here on our right hand side, outside the inner Sindhu. So as you can see, that's where they have their breakfast. Perfect location. Look at that. Imagine sitting out here having breakfast with that view. It's $1 million view, isn't it? Well, it looks like there's a fairly big surf going out there. We are so lucky to be in the situation that we are, living here in Bali and Sanur. I tell you, it has been a dream come true. We've met some lovely people. And then we've got the bread back here on our right hand side. I haven't had breakfast here before. It looks trendy, doesn't it? So with this video today, I'm actually trying a new system out. I've actually got my camera mounted on a chest piece. So I'll just see how that works out. So this is the Sindhu beach markets. You get a lot of good stuff in there. We picked up a lot of good items in there. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you up here what's happening with the icon. We actually walked through the other night and went, oh my God, they've done that absolutely beautiful. Last time we came down here, they were still doing the renovations up here on the beach, on the beachfront area. But I'm just going to walk in and show you, they've opened up all these cafes. Have a look at this. How awesome is this now? I'm gonna have to come down and do a review down here on some of these little cafes. But have a look at that. We're on the waterfront there. So that's your waterfront. Check that out. And then this other side, they haven't fully opened it yet, but wow, this is going to be very, very popular with the tourists down here. Check that out. It's amazing. Yeah, I thought I'd come down and show everyone. So we'll come back to the beach walk and we'll continue walking down here and see what's happening down here for you all. Still working on the accommodation here, the apartments. Not sure what the prices they would be, but I'd say they'd be pretty exy. Not many places in the world where you can actually have a beach walk that goes for such a long way, approximately 8 kilometres, along the waterfront. Okay, Respati. It's a nice little beach area for your breakfast here at Respati. A lot of these beachfront resorts also have the front area where you can actually sit on the front there and have a bit of a look, get in the water. All right, so this is going to be the new beach resort. So, as I posted on Facebook the other day, council, government have put a big no-no on the beach resort itself, but what there will be there is probably some sort of hotel, and they're still going to have shops, etc. through there. But this is what it said on an article that I posted on Facebook. Let's see what happens. Okay, so in through here at the Gazebo Beach Hotel, I haven't stayed here. Now, I will tell you, they have very, very cheap meals down here. We've eaten down here along the waterfront, but unfortunately the meals are quite small. So you have to sort of get two to get a normal size, which is a bit of a shame, but I suppose that's why it's so cheap. But they were very nice meals, and you do have your little waterfront area there as well too. Just be careful, we did find a few mozzies in that area. Okay, so now we're coming up to the Memories Sanur Club. So if we ever win lotto, because I've heard it's been quite expensive here, but if we ever win lotto, Karen said this is a place that we're going to stay for a few nights. Just looks lovely in there at the Tanjong Sari, doesn't it? Eh? Absolutely gorgeous. We love it every time we walk past there. Okay, the Pisaki is on our left-hand side here. Great reviews here. Look at that pool. Looks nice and refreshing, doesn't it? Nice little area for breakfast.
Salah arah, kita ke Karangasem.
So we're in August at the moment, so it's quite busy. Quite a few tourists around. Griya. This would have to probably be one of the most highly reviewed place. And everyone that stays here and reviews it absolutely loves it. Look at the location. And check this out for a view, hey? This is why people love Sanur and people love the beachfront. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous views. Okay, Villa Shanty. Shout out to our great friends Connie and Frank. They stay here a lot and they highly recommend it. Great location here as well too. Good reviews in this place, but I said Frank and Connie stay here a lot and they absolutely love it. And again, look at that view. This video is going to be a little bit longer than I normally do, so I do apologise, but it's such a lovely area and such a big area to show everyone. I really want to showcase Sanur as, I'd put it up there as one of the most beautiful places around, especially in Asia. And also too, The people here are absolutely beautiful. Okay, so down here is the Nalayan. Haven't had breakfast or anything here, but again, looks like a lovely little location there. A lot of trendy places you can come down here and have your breakfast. They also have food, etc. Oh, let's get that video right. Videoing error, guys. Sorry about that. Doing a lot of work on the old resort here on our right hand side. Looks like they're fixing up all the roofs on a lot of places. That's going to be lovely when it's all done. Now, as I've mentioned, we've reopened our Facebook group, so if you want to join in and get involved in our community, so it's Bali Life, one word, with Richard and Karen. Pop on over, join in the community. If you want to ask some questions on that Facebook group, and the community there will help you out as much as we can. Also too, share it with your friends if you have joined. It may interest them as well. This tree. How many times I walked at night time because it's quite dark here and almost knocked myself out. I wish I'd cut that section down.
So we don't crash into something.
Alright, so we're coming down to Pantai Karang. So Pantai Karang is when you walk down the little road down there, that's where all the lovely doors are. I think I've put photos up on there before. We're going to stop here for a little while and just absorb this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place and all. Check that out, hey? Absolutely gorgeous. We are so lucky. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to head down to Pantai Karang down here, and I'm going to show you little markets, little stalls. More local down this area as well too. I think we'll pop down here because, gotta be honest, I've lost a bit of match fitness being back in Australia with the walking. We've got crepes there. And on the right, left-hand side here, a lot of little stalls. Pick up some knickknacks, also food down here. Everyone's coming down now for get along the water, enjoying the weekend with their family. If you ride your bike down these pantais down towards the beachfronts along here in Sanur, quite often you have to pay. It could be a very small amount. They do vary. So just make sure if you're riding down here and coming down here that you have a little bit of money on you just to pay those fees. The reason why we do like Pantai Karang is because it's got good access. The road's quite wide here and it takes you right up to Tamblingen. So if you're sort of down central there on Tamblingen, you can just pop down here at Karang Pantai and you'll get direct access down. And it said if you go left at the beachfront, that takes you up to Pantai Sindhu. And if you go right at the beachfront, that will take you down to Mertasari. I'm going to stop and show you a couple of these doors as we travel down here too, because they're beautiful doors. Yep. So the first one from the beachfront is this one here. Lovely, isn't it? And then right opposite this beautiful one. You'll see photos of these doors regularly on Facebook pages. I think if you go on the Sanur Candidissa one, you can get a lot of information from that Facebook page. But a lot of people put stuff up on there. Follow that page, that's a good one. There's another one. I said, this is a new setup that I have, which is on my chest with the filming of the camera. So if it is up and down, I do apologise because you haven't got the security of the gimbal set up, so it does bounce around. Starting to get a little bit warmer now too, so it's 7:40, so we've been out and about for about an hour now. Here's another beautiful door. And here we are at 9 AM. If you want beautiful coffee, come in here. Lovely place for coffee just in here. Hello. Yeah, beautiful place for coffee. Morning, Puggy. And another beautiful door. Hear that? Just have to stop here for a sec, otherwise I'm going to get run over. Not much space. Now on the corner here is one of our favourite places to have a cuppa. It's Billy's Cafe. I've done a review on Billy's Cafe. It's right opposite Forketa, and I said it's right on the corner here at Pantai Karang. He's busy, busy, busy. And there's Billy's here, which I said I've done a review on Billy's before. And here we are at Tamblingen. A few people around this morning. So that concludes our video for today. So that's a nice little walk from basically Pantai Sindhu, we went left up to Pantai Segara, and then we've come all the way down to Karang, Pantai Karang. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit that like and subscribe. Also the thumbs up, really appreciate it, and share it to your family and friends, please. Also too, we have reopened our Facebook page, One Word Bali Life with Richard and Karen, so come along and join our community. Hope you enjoyed this video, but if you look at these videos here, it's some other stuff we've done before, so I hope you enjoy those as well too. But we'll see you all in the next video. Okay, see you, bye.